This is Hey Eric with eXp Realty, and today we're doing a market update for September 2025. As you've probably heard in the news, this has been a rough year for home sales. Rates have kind of stayed elevated. There's been a little bit of uncertainty throughout the year. We did just have the Fed funds rate drop 0.25% last month, but still, interest rates are in that low to mid sixes maybe, but a lot of inventory has been hitting the market. And we're gonna go through the stats in Salt Lake County and how it's been affecting the market. So let's dive in. New listings, September 25 over September 24 is up 5.3%. Last year we were 1,442 new listings listed during September. This year we are 1,519. When we extrapolate that to the total year-to-date listing increase, we've actually increased 7.3% more listings from the beginning of the year through the end of September when comparing 2024 to 2025. Last year by this time we were about 13,250. This year we're at 14,212. So up almost 1,000 extra listings have been listed this year compared to last year so far. Pending sales have also increased, which is good. When inventory goes up, theoretically, there's more options, more people will buy, but we've also seen with so many listings, it takes time for some of these to go under contract. Our closed sales, luckily, were also up, but not by as much. They were only up 2.1%. Last September of 2024, we were at 1,034 closed listings during the month. In Salt Lake County, this September, we were at 1,059. So that's really only 22 extra closed homes when we had over 80 new extra listings. So still got that discrepancy, still slowly increasing total listings on the market. Days on market until sale also up. When you have more listings, that's typically going to happen. Right now, our days on market is 57 in Salt Lake County. Last year at this time, we were at 45. So it was a little bit better of a market in terms of how fast stuff would go under contract. I do real quick want to bounce back. So closed sales actually are down year to date. So year to date, January through September 2024, last year we're at 9,627 closed sales. This year, 2025, through that same time period, 9,341. So that's down 3%. So overall, our sales in Salt Lake County for the year are lower than they were last year. Median sales price still up a little bit, about 3%. That depends on what homes are being sold, etc. Average sales price also up about 3.3%. So that average in Salt Lake County is $661,000. The median sales price, $557,000. The list to price received, that's at 95.9%. So that is, if someone lists a house for $100,000, they're typically getting $95,900 as a closed sales price. So that shows buyers are negotiating more, they're coming in lower than what the seller might be listing at, and so prices are, compressing. If you price it right in this market, you're probably gonna get a good result. If you overprice it, then you're definitely gonna be coming down, because that's what the market says. Total inventories of homes for sale up 21% year over year. Inventory in Salt Lake right now as of, September 2025, 3,402. Last year we're at 2,805. But total months of supply of inventory, right now we're at 3.2 months of supply. That is higher than last year, and it's been higher all this year. So just be aware, longer time on market, more options for buyers. But what else have we been seeing? And I was talking to an agent about this yesterday. The homes that are selling quickly or faster than this average days on market are the ones that are done up beautiful. They present well. They're the 9 or the 10 out of 10 homes. If your house is a 5 out of 10 in presentation, it is going to take longer. It appears to me that buyers, they want stuff to be done more than they, want to put a bunch of sweat equity into it. So that's where the market's at right now in Salt Lake County. If you have questions or want to discuss the market or your situation, whether it's buying or selling, please schedule a call to me at the link below. Thanks.